Waterlock, the connected leak detection and mains water shutoff system. Waterlock is designed to reduce the risk, hassle and expense of escape of water claims. There are two main aspects of the product. First is proactive prevention, where the user actively switches off the mains water supply, reducing their chances of escape of water. The mains water supply is turned off through the app, using the switch, or via voice through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. If you are a homeowner going on holiday, a business owner locking up at night, or a landlord with an empty property, Waterlock significantly reduces the risk of escape of water. The second aspect of the product is around detection and action. The Waterlock system uses physical sensors to detect changes in temperature, humidity, and standing water. Changes in temperature and humidity are alerted via notifications on the app and via email. Standing water notifications will not only alert users, but will automatically turn off the mains water. Not just alerts, but action also. Using physical sensors was a deliberate decision. The Waterlock system does not rely on flow sensors or algorithms to detect leaks, as these methods can create false positives which lead to negative customer experience. Sensors can be placed in logical areas of risk, such as kitchens, bathrooms, or near water tanks. Other benefits of the Waterlock system include slimline hardware, which is really easy to install in properties in the UK where the stopcock is often hidden away and inaccessible. Battery-powered hardware. There's no need for mains electricity to be used. Our batteries last up to 2 years. Notifications will be sent to the user as the battery depletes. Installation time is less than 1 hour. Using the app, you can see the status of each sensor and what information it's reporting: temperature, humidity, and battery level. So how does it all come together? The system combines an app, mains water controller, an internet hub, and sensors to deliver a simple but effective option for property owners, brokers, and insurers.